Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the SetUint8 method in the data view. For those who don't know 62 and 32 bits, just go and watch. This is be a similar video to that. So what we're gonna do is we need to create a buffer with set in 16 bits, and create a view, data view, and pass the buffer. And now what I'm gonna do is set uint. This is the method we are talking about, and pass the max 8-digit, bit integer, so which is 25. I mean 255, and as we know, we pass the 1, and to get that we need to type get uint8, which is a method goes hand in hand with the set uint. So when we do that, it's gonna return you the max 8-bit integer, I mean unsigned integer. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.